Hello everyone. Today, Autoshop Vietnam is gonna show you how to use the Smart Fi2 device to read the key ID and add a new key for Yamaha bikes made in 2024 to 2025, in case the customer has lost all the keys and no longer has the old key ID saved. For these newer Yamaha models, they come with a new type of SCU that looks different and has a different circuit board compared to older ones. So if you want to work with this new SCU, you'll need to contact Autoshop to get this function unlocked. This is a paid upgrade. Here's what you'll need to prepare. A Smart Fi2 device, along with a smartphone, tablet, or laptop to connect to it. One of the new generation Yamaha SCUs. I have a BKA SCU here. A new Yamaha Smart Key. And the Smart Fi2 accessory kit for reading and adding keys. First, I'll power on the Smart Fi2 device and connect it to the tablet. Then go to Advanced Functions. Smart Key Advanced. SCU BKA 0, BJJ 1, BKA. Advanced Functions. Read Key ID. Here's the connection guide. You'll need to wire up the SCU exactly like the diagram using the adapter and the multicolored cable, just like in the picture. Now I'm going to solder the wires onto the points shown in the guide. I've already connected the colored cable to the SCU, following the diagram. Now I'll plug the cables into the adapter and connect it to the Smart Fi2. Tap Continue. The Smart Fi2 has now read the SCU info, including the ECM ID and the key ID. Next, I'll use this key ID to add a new key to the SCU. You'll need the Yamaha Smart Key programming cable to connect to the SCU. Connect the cable to the Smart Fi2. On the screen, choose Key ID 1 to add a key. Tap OK. Tap OK again. Now turn on the new Smart Key. The LED on the key will start blinking fast. Tap OK. Once the key code is entered, the LED on the key will stay on. Press the Smart Key button once. Then tap OK. The device shows, programming the key, success. Now I'll check if the key and SCU are synced. Go to Basic Functions. FOB and SCU sync test. Turn on the FOB. Tap OK. The FOB has synced with the SCU. I'll try it one more time. OK. And that's it for this tutorial on how to use the Smart Fi2 to read the key ID and add a key for Yamaha bikes made in 2024 to 2025. If you're interested, just contact us through the WhatsApp number shown at the bottom of the screen. Thanks a lot, and see you in the next video.